operated by Bangladesh Railways. The Congress party in Meghalaya, which has faced severe setbacks in recent years, is poised to contest the upcoming ADC elections. Will this election determine its prospects in Meghalaya's rapidly evolving political landscape, or will the exodus of leaders and internal drifts continue to haunt it? DD Meghalaya caught up with PN Syiem, the working president of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Working Committee, to find more in this exclusive report.
Kum Deputy Syiem, KHADC, Wan Kilipi Namarangilai Haki Kot Kubor. Bagi don kita kijing doko hakur kom trekam jom kaki HADC kum karukom penyak jaka pelapisa tingkah kita ki rekrutmen kum ta ter beli kimi kum kita ki jing doko trekam
hakajing lap berkajing syam jong kum deputy Syiem Syiem bariam jong district council hoi bani compare ya ki wei ki district council North East India ngatrai nginang kham na sibun mangi nganai fi small example Kagarhil di sengsul minta kaduk telop bapli gunung trela ar laisnam. Ajantia hil haduk minta kaduk telop adem mereka arsnam. Kabangun ba kadis sengsul jungi kadang kat bana kadang excite. Na kebenta ban ai ke bawah hatam na kebenta gunung trela benta ki pai ba haka dikasih.